Alex Iglesia here, and this is Wake Up Epic. It's been a little while since I created this Wake Up Epic 28 days, and so I wanted to create a short little introduction for you so you have an overview of what is in this, how to use it, how we've seen some people use it and get the most out of it, and give you some choice. So first of all, congratulations, this is going to be a lot of fun. Even if you never use it, even if you only look through it, we're seeding the idea that there are some unique ways that your body, your mind, can support what you're really up to. What are you really up to? What a question. However you define it right now is good enough. However you're connected to your purpose is good enough. And whatever you think it is and isn't is good enough, because it's always more than we think it is, what we're really here to do and how we guide ourselves and how we're guided. I deeply believe in in synchronicity, in a sense of synthesis with what's going on in the world outside you and what's happening inside your own life. So one of the special benefits of this program is it's going to open up more synergy, more synchronicity, more sense of signs, but not in a disempowering way where you're giving up all your power to the outside world to tell you what to do, more of a both and, where you have a sense of communion and aliveness and a sense of joy with what's coming up, whether it is a tough day, a bad day, or a fantastic day. So what is in Wake Up Epic? You've got 28 workouts. They are 10-minute sessions. You can use them as a substitute for a workout if you have a little bit of time. You can use it as a warm-up for a more intense physical workout or training session. That's fine. What's unique about Wake Up Epic is there's always some mobility, some functional movement based on how your body wants to move, and some unique mind-body themes, and then using the body to amplify and access those themes in more specific ways. So there's 3 fundamental ways that I recommend you use Wake Up Epic. The first is you just say, hey, I'm going to do this for 28 days. Every day, roughly the same time if possible, you do the Wake Up Epic session for that day. You start with 1, go to 2, go to 3. And you just follow that flow. There's an organic sequence to this that reveals itself in the doing of it. By doing 1, it sets up an arc, it sets up a sort of an inner journey that sets you up for the second day and the third day. Some of it's more subtle, some of it becomes more obvious as you do it. So that's the first way. Just put it on your calendar and do it. The second way is you might feel like, I'm wanting to do something for my feet. My feet hurt, or I want to be stronger with my feet or more aware. So choose the workout that has the feet as a theme. Use the body as a theme. So you can go through all the 28 days and choose the body theme you want to do. You can do it once, you can do it more than once, and see where it takes you. The third way is to choose the life theme, something like awareness, something like surrender. You can choose it based on what, as you look through the list, the word that stands out to you, that just draws you in, that says like, oh, I want more of that. Alternately, you might find that as you're looking through the list, there's a word that just pisses you off or annoys you, where you're like, that's stupid, I don't want to do that. Either way that there's charge for you, there is something for you to try out, integrate in your life, explore in your body, because in the end, it's all about feeling really good, being yourself in this world, accepting your goodness, accepting your truth, and accepting your beauty. That's the hard stuff to accept. At any time, you can send me an email at alex@iglesia.com. Ask a question, let me know how it's going. Again, that's alex@iglesia.com. So thanks for being epic, and enjoy the journey.